Busy streets, large numbers of commuters, general commotion. The ability to navigate complex environments with ease is something a lot of people take for granted. For the visually impaired, these situations can be a large undertaking, particularly on unfamiliar streets. The American Council of the Blind has reported the blind and visually impaired are disproportionately represented in pedestrian crashes. Perhaps the most common tool for people with visual impairments is the standard mobility cane. The average length of a mobility cane is just under 1 meter. Drawing on our engineer's background in computer vision, we sought to create an accessible tool that would build upon the mobility cane by empowering users with information about objects further away than 1 meter. Our goal is not to replace the mobility cane, but to enhance it. Our product Theia, named after the goddess of sight, combines 5 components. A sensory component using OAK-D hardware with a camera, spatial stereos, and basic intelligence analytics, a pair of sunglasses with audio capabilities due to Bluetooth speakers on the side of the frame, an external battery, a Raspberry Pi to maintain communication between our decoupled components, and our engineer's code. The code detects, tracks, and reports the distance of objects. It can handle processing at 30 frames per second. Here is our engineer navigating our neighborhood while wearing Theia. This is Theia's view. You'll notice a bounding box when the technology encounters an object, in this case, a person. The box notes the distance of the object, which it then transmits through the components and provides a notification through the audio component. The notification sounds like this:
2 meters, 1.5 meters.
Finally, this is what the back end looks like as it detects and tracks objects. The future of Theia and similar technologies could mean a new world for people with visual impairments. Further than reporting the distance of incoming objects, we could provide Theia users with more information, including identification of the object. For example, instead of telling the user 2 meters, we could tell them there is a person 2 meters away or a car 2 meters away. This technology could also explore noiseless notifications, such as sequential vibrations that indicate an object's distance. As we look to the future of computer vision, we are excited by the endless possibilities for creating a more accessible world.